Okay, so I'm gonna go over problem number 5. It says that Kurt and Melanie are mixing blue and yellow paint to make seafoam green paint. You gotta use the percent equation to find how much yellow paint they should use. Okay, step 1, you can set up our proportion, which is our percent equation. So first of all, we wanna make sure that we spot our 100% value here. We are actually pouring 70% content of blue here and 30% content of yellow right here. And together they actually create a 1.5 liter container of green paint. Now, question, what is our 100% amount that we're going to be putting in this box? Yes, it will be just 1.5 liters. That's my total amount of paint that I will be having at the end. Now, then out of that 30%, out of that 1.5, what percent of that 1.5 liter green content is yellow? Yes, right here we can actually enter 30. That's our yellow content, okay? And how much in liters is that? We don't know, so we're gonna put an X right there. Step 1 completed. Step 2, we gotta cross multiply these two elements and those two elements right there. First of all, what is 100 times x? Well, we can't really multiply those two, so I'm gonna just write 100x. That's how we do it. And then next up we have 1.5 times 30, which equals, well, you can actually flip this page and do the multiplication on the back. You can find a lot of guides in there, but I'm gonna do it right here on the side, okay? 30 times 1.5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. Done. Next one, 1 times 0 is 0. Don't forget to leave a 0 here. And 1 times 3 is 3. Boom. And I just add across and I get 450. However, we have a decimal here. And we have one decimal place in there. So I'm going to move the point once to the left and I get 45 as my answer. All right, step 2 completed. Step 3, divide to solve for x. Okay, so I'm gonna rewrite my equation that I had right here. 100 x equals 45. Good. And then if I divide by what number, do I cancel this 100? Yes, by itself, here and here. Boom, canceling those two numbers, I'm actually left with just x equal to whatever 45 divided by 100 is. Now I can always do this, however, I know a trick from elementary school. I remember my teacher saying, oh, if you divide by 100, you can just move the point twice to the left, and that's the same as dividing by 100. So I'm gonna do that. Instead of dividing, I'm gonna just move the point twice to the left, and I get 0.45. Well, that's my solution there, but what's my answer here? Well, answer the question, how much yellow paint should they use? The answer is 0.45 liters of yellow paint. Answer is correctly.